You can sit on chimneys, put some fire up your ass. No need to know what you're doing or waiting for, but if anyone should ask, tell them I've been licking coconut skins and we've been hanging out. Tell them God just dropped by to forgive our sins and relieve us our doubt. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, you can hold her eggs.
Thank you.
But your basket has a hole where you can lie between her legs and go looking for. Tell her you're searching for a soul. Or you can wait for ages, watch your compost turn cold. Time is contagious and everybody's getting old. So you can sit on chimneys, put some fire up your ass. No need to know what you're doing or looking for, but if anyone should ask, tell them I've been cooking coconut skins and we've been hanging out. Tell them God just dropped by to forgive our sins and relieve us our doubts.